Yo guys, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been forever since I posted, but if I come over here and you guys will look and notice, my car has got a lot of tape on it. If you look it closely, it's all Christmas lights. So I know this is a late post, especially for the Christmas lights, but if you're on here, make sure to drop that like and subscribe. Hopefully I will be posting more long form content with the car. But anyways, today we're gonna do some photo shoots, take some rollers of it, things like that. So yeah, anyways, I gotta head there now to where I'm meeting up with some of my buddies, and then we'll get started here. So I'll see you guys once we get there. All right, guys, we arrived. Ignore that. We got them right there in the camera car, and we're gonna be hitting the street. They're gonna be taking some photos, so we'll see how much vlogging or videos I get in. But anyway, stay tuned. Alrighty guys, it's a new day. Today I'm gonna be surprising some of my friends with it. We'll see what they think. Anyways, I'll let you guys go and I'll catch you later. Alrighty, there's my car. Alrighty, we're on a quick cruise right now. We're gonna go ahead and pick up my brother, and then he'll be recording for us a little bit. So I'll see you guys once we get him.
So of course I missed that.
You never.
Alrighty guys, so that was some of the videos. I was not able to record too much, especially with me being on a call with them. So I'm gonna put the photos here. Hopefully you guys did enjoy those photos, but anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.